when you're building a cheese board. It's all about appearance.
Yeah, you eat with your eyes first.
Yes. My name is Roze, and I'm a chef, and I'm just so happy to be at the table to both of you.
I'm Vanessa Talaka-Kalb. I am the head cheesemonger and owner of Agnes Restaurant and Cheesery.
My name is Chao McCoy. I'm a sommelier. I own a wine shop and excited to share my wine knowledge and pairings with the cheese for today.
I'm gonna start off with the COMTÉ. This is the easiest to cut. A little nutty, kind of brown butter, a really grassy and earthy as well. I think I'll move on to the triple cream here.
I love it.
It's a very luxurious cheese, and it's triple cream because there's triple the amount of butter fat in it. The fresh log, fresh meaning it's just days old, completely rindless and not aged, very creamy, a little chalky, and mostly tangy. Take the Forme d'Ambert.
Last but not least.
And then Forme d'Ambert, a very mild and approachable blue cheese. This one's super delicious.
Next up, we're gonna build our cheese board. All right, so we got the cheese board done. Now it's time for us to just add in some sips in there.
Yeah.
What do you got?
We're gonna start with the fresh log, and we're gonna pair that with a beautiful Sauvignon Blanc from the Sancerre region of France.
The region of the Loire Valley is known for goat's milk, goat cheeses, specifically fresh or lightly aged. And so what grows together goes together in French is terroir. It's a sense of place. Everything in that
Very
region
cool.
goes together. It's a symbiotic relationship.
All right, second wine,
Hear about it.
Champagne. From the Champagne region of France, there is this Chardonnay grape I heard about that just go amazing with anything buttery. So of course we had to have triple cream. Speaking of Chardonnay, the home of Chardonnay, we have a nice Burgundy. So last but not least, a Sauterne.
S'il vous
I
plaît.
tried the Forme d'Ambert with the apple and pear jam, and it was excellent with the Sauternes.
Thank you.
Oh,
And
okay.
I tried the Forme d'Ambert with the red onion marmalade, and it made me want a burger.
So my question now is, what was your favorite pairing?
I had the apples and pears with the blue cheese
Yeah.
on
You
bread
tried it, right? Yeah.
with the Sauterne.
I'm torn between the Forme d'Ambert and the red onion jam, and then the COMTÉ with the white burgundy.
Thank you.
It was such a pleasure being at the table with you
Thank you.
and
Thanks for
breaking
having
bread.
me.
Cheers.
Cheers.